Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with an Alina crafts haul. I'm going to share with you a few dies that I picked up from her store, and then I'm going to share with you a few projects that I created using the dies. As always, check the description box below for product information. I try to leave as many links as I can for you as possible. Alright, so let's jump right on in. Alright, the first die that I picked up is this super cute high heel shoe. It's really pretty and it's a really nice size. I picked up this set right here, and it creates a little bubble. It's like a bubble bottle with the little blowers. Super cute. You have a couple of different options. I picked up these dies right here, and in the project that I'm sharing today, I use this word celebrate, but love, joy, yay, and then those bells also come from her store. I did pick up this tiny little handbag. It creates a super cute handbag. And then I used this stamp and die set. It has the word smile and the word friends, and I'll share with you what that looks like. I shared that in the previous video, but I'm going to probably share it again. And then I also picked up these girls. This is one girl right here, and then another girl right here, and then this word sweet. And then I shared with you in the previous video this envelope liner, or it's an envelope with the little liner. And I used it again in today's project, so I wanted to share that with you. And then I've hauled this in the past, but I used this nesting star set. Really, really pretty. And then this stamp set, I stamped out the word friends, and I'm just going to show you what that looked like. And this also comes from Alina's store, and it coordinates with those dies that I just shared. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to show you my first card that I made. And I think it came out so pretty. All right, so here is the high heel. Isn't it gorgeous? I actually made this card for a friend that's getting married, and the die is popped up on foam, so I gave it some dimension. I used a couple of different cardstocks to layer the shoe to give it that look. I used black glitter, and then I used white glitter. I used some Recollection bling. And then I used my one of my newer favorite bow dies that I've recently picked up. This paper that is in the middle is some vellum paper, and what I did was I went online and I found this saying by Audrey Hepburn, and it says, "Happy girls are the prettiest," and then it does say Audrey Hepburn, but I had covered it up. But what I did was I printed it on my printer, and then as soon as it came out, I actually covered it with some clear embossing powder, and I embossed it, and it actually worked. It's probably going to be really hard to see on my camera, but it is actually embossed. I'll try to zoom in and see if you guys can kind of tell. But I just thought that was a kind of a neat effect. And then I did use this border die is another die from my stash that I used to create the card base. And I think it came out super pretty. And then on the inside, I just finished it off with the dotted card base that came with that particular die set from my stash. So super pretty card, and I can't wait to give it to my friend. So cute, I love that. And this would actually be a great birthday card as well. But anyway, moving along, I made another card using the bubble bottle. And here's the little bottle, and I die cut it out of some gold foil. I layered this little piece right here, and then all the little tiny hearts that come out of this, I just spread out on this little scallop stitch heart. Another die from my stash. This word love is from Alina's store, and I just double layered it a couple of times and added a little bit of glitter to give it some sparkle. And then I love the little heart wand that it comes with, the little blower, and I think that's super cute. Isn't it? It's absolutely adorable. So I really like that die right there. All right, up next, I made another card, and this is using that star nesting set that's from her store. And then this is the first little girl, and isn't she super pretty? I cut her out of some really pretty patterned paper, and then gave her the little bow, and then there's the envelope that says with love, and then I used another bow die from my stash. And I think that came out really cute. It's a quick, simple card, and I think it's adorable. And I love the little girl. And you can layer her and a couple of times, because what I do when I make these types of girls, I double layer everything. So underneath the dress, I have a layer of 110-pound cardstock. The legs, the arms, everything is double layered to give it a little bit of thickness, and I just think it makes the the die cut, just it gives it a better look and it gives it some dimension. So I really like the way that one came out. Moving along, I made this super cute little treat box, and I've had this treat box in my stash and I've shared it before, but I went ahead and used this treat box. I used the word celebrate from Alina's store, and then this super cute little girl, she's the other little girl that I picked up, and she's just like having a party. She's just super cute. I cut her hair out of some iridescent paper. She's got a black glitter dress on. This die right here is a scallop stitched oval, which is also from Alina's store. I didn't pull that die, but it's super cute and actually cut out of the faux leather that I recently picked up from Hobby Lobby. So in case you're wondering, it does cut through that faux leather through your die cut machine. So no special, you know, cut machine for that. But I think that came out really cute, and it's a cute treat bag. You just open it up and you can stick your treat in there. And I didn't tie it. It does have 2 holes where you could add some ribbon, but I just left it open. And I think that came out really, really cute. So adorable treat bag. And then let me share with you the little tiny purses. I did make 3 little purses, and I just wanted to share with you what they looked like. I hadn't decided what I wanted to do with them just yet, but I just wanted to share with you what they looked like cut out. I actually did leave a little space in between. If I wanted to add a paper clip, I could. I've seen a lot of ladies that picked up this die turn these into paper clips, so it would be kind of cute if you made a traveler's notebook and turned it into a paper clip. But I did use that new LOL paper, and I think that came out absolutely adorable. And then here are a couple more bottles. I'm just going to show you. I had made a couple and I was just playing with it. This one was the first one I made, and I realized that this was the layering part, so I had just added the little hearts in the bottle. But you can add a little topper to the bottle if you want. This one I just did like the little square up top, just to give you an idea. And if you want to give it added dimension, layer it 2 or 3 times, and let's see if that's focused. And it gives it a really cool effect if you layer the piece a couple of times. It just looks really fun and dimensional. So super cute little bottle. And then I did make an ice cream cone, and this was definitely inspired by Bona. And what I did was, I didn't have the word sweet, the one that she used, but I did have this one from Alina's store. So I went ahead and used it, and I think it came out super, super cute. So that's the word sweet, and it's a really pretty font. Love it. And I love my ice cream cone. It's so cute. And Bona does have a tutorial on her channel in case you're wondering. And this lid, it does pop off, and then you can insert your little treat. It's a super cute idea, and I had to make one of these. I just thought it was absolutely adorable. So that is my ice cream cone, and I will be gifting this to a friend who has a birthday next month. So super sweet. And then last but not least, here's the word friends, and I just inked it, and then I just backed it up with some pretty paper. And this would be super cute to put on a treat bag or flip book, and it's just a really fun font. So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my project share for today. Of course, leave me a comment, tell me what you think, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.